Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge. This is our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas and other model railroad manufacturers and retailers have launched hobbycoalition.org, a new industry-wide initiative to protect the future of toys and hobbies in America. As part of this launch, the tariff position paper is being publicly released for the first time. This important document outlines how current trade policies, including tariffs as high as 145%, are threatening small businesses, limiting consumer access, and driving up costs. The Hobby Industry Coalition is a nonpartisan alliance of manufacturers, retailers, clubs, and enthusiasts committed to fair and effective trade policy. Visit www.hobbycoalition.org and read the tariff position paper, track daily developments, and learn how to get involved. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing new Premier O-Scale 440 steam locomotives, along with matching 64-foot woodside passenger cars in 9 different road names early this winter. The locomotives will feature prototype-specific details, including different driver sizes to represent specific locomotives. Available passenger cars include a 4-car, 64-foot wood-sided coach set for $499.95, a 2-car coach and combine set for $249.95, and an individual 64-foot coach car for $124.99. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in December 2025. Road names include New York Central No. 999 Empire State Express, Strasburg, Pennsylvania, Long Island, Wilmington and Western, Boston and Maine, Baltimore and Ohio, Central Pacific, and Union Pacific. The suggested retail price for the locomotives is $1,049.99 each. MTH Electric Trains will also be producing an exclusive and limited edition 440 steamer and passenger car set decorated for the Philadelphia and Reading Railroad for Mr. Muffin's trains. With expected arrival in December 2025, the early order price for the locomotive is $944.96. The 4-car passenger set is priced at $449.96. The 2-car passenger set is priced at $224.96, and the standalone coach car is priced at $112.46. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale GP7 diesel locomotive in Detroit and Toledo Shoreline bicentennial colors for exclusive distribution by Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in September 2025. The early order price is $549.95. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Jeep 7 in Monongahela colors for Hobby Express. The locomotive will be offered in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $549.95. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Jeep 7 in Burlington colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The locomotives will be offered in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $549.99. Now available from University of Akron Press is The Pioneer Route and Electric Railways of Northeast Ohio, The Rise and Fall of the Cleveland, Southwestern, and Columbus Railway System by Stephen D. Hamley. The Pioneer Route and Electric Railways of Northeast Ohio presents mass transit in the 19th and 20th century urban United States from a business history perspective. Starting in the 1890s, a revolution in transportation, interurbans, emerged from Ohio's largest cities and, within a single decade, extended throughout the surrounding countryside. These systems of interconnecting electric railways were made possible by a favorable political and business culture and fed by an insatiable demand. Driven by a growing population and the desire for efficient transportation services, business organizations acquired the cash, approval of local governments, and the essential support of the incipient electrical goods manufacturing industry. In all of this, Ohio would be the leader. Ohio's people, businesses, and resources cultivated the emergence of the electric railway industry to a scale unsurpassed elsewhere in the United States. The rise and fall of one of its largest systems, the Cleveland, Southwestern, and Columbus Railway, demonstrates how this marvel of transportation engineering and business acumen developed in Ohio and the effect it had on the Cleveland metropolitan region. Known originally as the Pioneer Route, the Cleveland, Southwestern, and Columbus Railway was constructed by a group of investors, bankers, promoters, and industrialists. The CS&C is an ideal example of how an interurban led the way to development of a modern rural infrastructure in the region. Follow the link in the video description for availability and pricing. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is normally published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. With the realities of the current tariff situation, some manufacturers and many retailers are cutting back on new product announcements and custom products. As a result, recent episodes on this channel have been shorter than usual. Should this situation continue or worsen, What's New in O-Gauge may cut back publication to every other week until the crisis passes. Check for notices on the channel's Community tab for updates, and be sure to subscribe and click on notifications to keep up with the most up-to-date information. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.